Hello, this is the meal prep secret behind a $35 million revenue jump. If you want to know what's really holding back your revenue growth, it's probably in your kitchen right now. On Friday, invested around $1,700 in 120 of these custom prepared paleo meals. And you might think that's a strange move for a business coach, but not when you understand what I learned working with Sam Ovens during his explosive growth from 12 million to 36 million some years ago. So let me explain. Now, before I explain, let me introduce myself. My name is Mark Dhamma, and I help seven-figure coaches, course creators, and infopreneurs quantum leap to $1 million per month without burning out or sacrificing your life. I've helped industry titans like Sam Ovens and Ty Lopez shatter their revenue ceilings, and now I'm sharing my proven mill-a-month coaching method with you. If you're hitting 6 or 7 figures and are ready to take your business revenue to the next level, you're in the right place. So subscribe and hit the notification bell for cutting-edge strategies to achieve your 1 million per month goal faster than you ever thought possible. Now back to the story. In 2016, while helping Sam scale his business, I discovered something shocking. The biggest constraint to hitting $1 million months often has nothing to do with your marketing, sales, or even business strategy. Here are 3 revenue-killing truths most entrepreneurs never find out until it's too late. The first is the energy-revenue connection. When I first started working with Sam, he was already doing 7 figures, but he was constantly sick, surviving on stimulants, and his nutrition was destroying his decision-making ability. So here's a brutal reality. Your revenue will never outpace your energy, period. The second is there's a hidden time tax. Most entrepreneurs think a meal prep wastes maybe 30 minutes a day, but it's wrong. When you factor in planning, shopping, preparing, and cleaning up after your meals, you're easily burning 2 to 3 hours a day of your most valuable cognitive time. $1,000 an hour, which is a minimum for a 7-figure entrepreneur, that's $750 to $1,000 in lost revenue every single day. And here's a third thing, the quantum leap paradox. Here's what nobody tells you. When you're trying to scale from 200 to 400,000 months, it's actually harder than scaling to 1 million plus. Why? Because small scaling keeps you stuck in do-it-yourself mode. True quantum leaps require eliminating all constraints, starting with your biological foundation. Now, this might seem extreme, maybe even obsessive, but ask yourself, how much clarity are you losing to decision fatigue? What opportunities are you missing from your lack of energy? Is saving money on food actually costing you millions? If you want to quantum leap your revenue, you've really got to look at every single area of your life, find constraints and eliminate them. We're talking about constraints on your time, constraints on your energy, and all of this translates into your business, because when you're feeling at your best and you've got more energy, you can invest that into your business, and you can look at the constraints in your business and remove them too. Most of the time, you're going to be the number one constraint for your business. And oftentimes, the number one constraint with you is your self-image, how you see yourself. That's why I've created a workshop called the New Self-Image Alchemy, how to transform your self-image to quantum leap your revenue. Click the link in the comments, but a link you can learn more about that, and I'd love to see you on the live workshop where we can transform your self-image to quantum leap your revenue. I'll see you there.